हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं लीगल डिक्टेशन मैटर। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। इंजरी टू वाइटल organs like the heart and the lung stop. This injury, in the opinion of the medical officer, was sufficient in the ordinary course of nature to cause death. Stop. However, the Honorable Supreme Court held as under stop. It is equally not in dispute that appellant gave only one blow with a knife. Stop. Appellant had no quarrel or dispute with deceased. Stop. It is not shown that deceased had anything to do with the chit organized by K.G. Ranjan. Stop. No malice has been alleged to have been entertained by the accused towards deceased. Stop. The incident occurred on the spur of the moment. Stop. It appears that the house of the deceased was somewhere near the house in which the organizers, or at least one of them, was residing. Stop. Appellant had his dispute and grievance with the organizers of the chit. Stop. It is the prosecution case that accused abused organizers of the chit. Stop. Deceased is not shown to be the organizer of the chit. Stop. Probably when the deceased told the accused not to misbehave in the presence of ladies and not to use vulgar and filthy language, the appellant retorted by questioning the authority of Sampath to ask him to leave the place. Stop. Presence of Sampath is wholly accidental. Stop. Altercation with Sampath was on the spur of the moment. Stop. Even the meeting was accidental. Stop. There arose a situation in which appellant, probably misguided by his own egocentric nature, objected as to why Sampath should ask him to leave the place, and in this background he gave one blow with a knife which landed on the right side chest of the deceased, which has proved fatal. Stop. Could the appellant be said to have committed murder? Stop. In other words, whether part 1 or part 3 of section 300 stop IPC would be attracted in the facts of this case. Stop. Even Mr. Ranjam, learned counsel for the state of Tamil Nadu, could not very seriously contend that the appellant intended to commit murder of Sampath. Stop. His submission was that at any rate appellant, when he wielded a weapon like a knife and gave a blow on the chest, a vital part of the body, must have intended to cause that particular injury, and this injury is objectively found by the medical evidence to be fatal, and therefore part 3 of section 300 would be attracted. Stop. But in the circumstances herein discussed, he wielded a weapon like a knife, and therefore he can be attributed with the knowledge that he was likely to cause an injury which was likely to cause death. Stop.